Welcome back again. This video I'm going to show you lock your SIM card on Samsung phone. Let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone, then open settings. In the settings page, you can use the search bar at the bottom or top menu bar. Here simply type lock SIM card. Once you found the exact name available there, simply tap on it. Right now lock SIM card is turned off by default. Simply tap on the toggle switch, then set a 4-digit PIN code. For example, I am type this PIN, then hit OK, and you have successfully locked your SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy phone. However, if you decide to turn off lock SIM card your phone again, don't worry. This is very easy. To do that, simply tap on the toggle switch, then recommend to enter your PIN again. Hit OK, and right now you have successfully done. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Take care.